My name is Ray Valencia, and our topic for today is about mixtures. Mixtures in nature. Here are the objectives. Number one, identify specific types of mixtures. Two, list many examples of heterogeneous and homogeneous mixtures. Here are the words that we are going to discuss with this lesson. Mixtures, evaporation, sieving, filtration, solutions, heterogeneous, homogeneous, magnetic separation, distillation, condenser. What is matter? Matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. The particle theory of matter states that all matter is made up of tiny particles. Now let us discuss about pure substance. A pure substance contains only one type of particle. Substances don't usually occur in their pure form in nature. So in order to obtain pure substances, people must refine raw materials. Some examples of pure substances are gold, aluminum, and sugar. On these slides, we can see that matter is on the top because matter is divided into two, which are pure substance and mixtures, while mixtures divided into two, and these are heterogeneous and homogeneous mixtures. Now, let us define what is mixtures. Mixtures are substances that consist of combinations of two or more pure substances or different particles. Mixtures can be in the form of solids, liquids, and or gases in any combination. Take note of this. Mixtures are not chemically combined. We know that mixtures are not chemically combined, but pure substances. Here are the example. Number one, table sugar. Two, aluminum foil or bauxite. On this picture, you would see that sugar cane, this is example of pure substance, and also sugar beet and bauxite. We have discussed about what is mixtures. We knew already that these mixtures are substances that consist of combinations of two or more pure substances. There are six possible kinds of mixtures, and these are a mixture of gases, a mixture of gases and liquid, a mixture of liquids, a mixture of solid and liquid, a mixture of solids, and last, a mixture of solid and gases. These are the six possible kinds of mixtures. We are going to discuss them on these following slides. Let's start with mixture of gases. Example, oxygen tanks. The main reason for adding helium to the breathing mix is to reduce the proportions of nitrogen and oxygen below those of air to allow the gas mix to be breathed safely on deep dives. Next, mixture of liquids. I know everyone knows what is on the picture. This is the concentrated orange juice. We mix with water and concentrated juice. Example of mixture of liquids. On the picture, this is the example of mixture of solid. Vegetable salad. It contains different solid vegetables, different solid materials that we mix up with different solid materials. Example of mixture of solid. Now, mixture of gases in a liquid. The example given here is carbonated drinks. It contains gas and a liquid. There is one phase of matter in a bottle of soda, a liquid phase. Soda is a mixture of water, carbon dioxide gas, and solid sugar. Sugar is dissolved in water, and carbon dioxide is dissolved in water under pressure. At this point, you have two phases, the liquid and the gas bubbles of carbon dioxide. Mixture of solid in a liquid. It has two substances, salt and water, which contains of solid and liquid. Solid part is the salt, which is sodium chloride, and the water, H2O, is the liquid part. That's why mixture of solid in a liquid. Two substances are present. Now, let us differentiate between mixtures and compounds. In mixtures, there are two or more elements or compounds not chemically combined, example, oil in water. In compounds, there are two or more elements combined chemically, example, hydrogen and oxygen, or also known as water. In mixtures, particles of more than one kind, while in compounds, particles of one kind only. In mixtures, heterogeneous and homogeneous are present, while in compounds, there is only homogeneous as always present. In mixtures, components can be separated by physical methods, while in compounds, components can be separated by chemical methods, not physical methods. Now, let us discuss the separation of mixtures. Mixtures can be separated by physical means such as distillation, crystallization, filtration, and evaporation. How to separate salt water? It is through evaporation, wherein it is a process by which water changes from a liquid to a gas or vapor. Link below is the example of evaporation. Now, separation of mixtures in filtration. It is the process in which solid particles in a liquid or gaseous fluid are removed by the use of a filter medium that permits the fluid to pass through but retains the solid particles. Video link below. Separation of mixtures in sieving. It is defined as a method in which two or more components of different sizes are separated from a mixture on the basis of the difference in their sizes. Video link below. Separation of mixtures in distillation. It is the process of separating the components or substances from a liquid mixture by using selective boiling and condensation. Video link below.